give me a permission. So when I say record, please request recording.
We will send you the recording. No problem. We will send you the recording.
That's better.
Okay.
That's better. You're handling everything. Okay. How are you, Sonu?
All well, Pari.
कितने दिनों के बाद मिल रहे हैं?
Yeah, I told my husband at 5 I have the opening of my exhibition.
तैयार हुई कि नहीं? You got ready?
How are you,
Nafisa,
Salma?
how are you doing? I think, Nafisa, you are on mute. I can see you, but I can't hear you.
Okay, and I've been talking and saying hi to everyone.
How is Canada treating you?
It's good. It's 9 in the morning, and I kind of lost track of like what time is it, because when everyone calls from Dubai or they have their timings, and I kind of in the morning I'm like 9. It's going to be 5 in Dubai, so I kind of everything.
Yeah.
I think now
Everybody in now?
I can see the people are there. Hi,
Too
Imran.
much back end work, isn't it?
Yeah,
Farah? Too much back end work.
too much.
Setting.
You know, virtual exhibition takes more efforts than other exhibition.
I can't hear you. It's all.
Whoever wants to say, raise your hand first, just like Arnab Goswami.
No one can. If it is just
Otherwise,
Arnab
everyone
Goswami,
will say
no one can
together.
speak.
Huh?
Raise your hand, okay? And then Shiva say who can say.
Okay.
Kipa said, okay, get
No,
your
that's proper.
family in. I said, no ways.
Today I want me time, huh? Today I want me time.
Of course, it's been now 3 weeks, 4 weeks I'm in home and I'm seeing 2 faces. Only 2 faces.
Cool.
How are you, Ahmad?
I'm fine, thank you very much. How about you?
Very well, very well. So I see you today not in...
Nice to see you, all of you here.
Same here,
yes.
sir.
Thank you so much. Ramadan Mubarak to all.
Ramadan.
What's new? So you have been fasting from today itself?
Tomorrow.
No, start from tomorrow, yeah.
Okay, so Ramadan starts tomorrow. From
Ramadan
tomorrow
Kareem.
night or today?
From today night it will start. Sahur today will be the first sahur. Early morning, 4 o'clock, we will stop eating, and then next day by sunset time we will eat.
Yes.
So Shiba, you were talking about the virtual exhibition. How the physical exhibition and the virtual exhibition?
I just visited.
That's what I was saying, that it is much easier to organize than the virtual one, because there is more technical things we have to handle in the virtual exhibition, and we are not that good in that technicality, so we have to take help of our kids.
The kids are doing wonderful
So
job.
who is bossing? Your kids are bossing you.
Help of our teenagers.
I agree.
swear.
But with this distant learning as well, we are learning a lot. I'll become very high tech after the school, after when the school starts.
Yeah, true.
Yes.
True.
Yeah, we've been doing Google Drawing. We've been doing, working on slides. We've been watching videos and this thing, and all the students, even the small ones, grade 1, grade 2, are doing online. So, yeah, I guess we'll get towards the end of lockdown.
Who is Ronika Garnish Gupta? I think so. I don't see the face.
They're a guest, I think, from my side. Yeah, guest from my side.
Okay. So how are you, Yuvika? Yuvika, you just came from Bath, I think so.
No.
Yeah, kya are you?
No, I would have been all in pain. No, I'm just like this. All day.
Okay.
Not bothered. By the end of distance learning, this is me at 5 o'clock every day.
So
can
Shiva,
see
we are total of
You know, I
artists.
was not expecting 33 are there, and that's a very big, the big number. Huge number. Thank you all of you. Thanks a lot.
Thanks to you. Thanks to you.
Thank you for this
Thank
initiative.
you, Shiva and Farah.
Why are you so quiet?
So we are total of 50 artists participating in this exhibition.
Yes.
वो आप मेकअप वो आपने
इसने मेकअप नहीं किया.
Hi Sonal.
कल फ्राइडे ना दोनों मैंने भी लगाना तेल से.
Hi Farah. Hi Shiva. Hello everyone.
Hello.
So I think we will take another 5 more minutes and we can start up.
Okay, they'll be
Okay.
official.
Meanwhile, let's talk about
Yeah,
something
we
because
will
Ramadan
do-
is coming and we want to know what we're going to cook from tomorrow.
Okay.
See the exhibition.
I'm cooking every day, yeah.
ये आंटी ने एक शब्द भी नहीं श्रीवास्तव मंकुश.
अभी कौन बाकी है?
So Sana ma'am will come. She is trying to join. Then Peter is there. Mr.
I think
Laitu didn't came.
Salma is also there. Salma is...
Assalamualaikum Farabi. I want to know how many people are there in the I am present, Shiva.
Where? Who said I am present, Shiba?
I said. By who? Mankush.
Okay, hi Mankush.
How are you?
Fine.
Sorry.
Mr. Laitu is unable to join. I think I don't know. He sent some code to me. But come here. This one is his screen.
दो जन ही एट अ टाइम बात कर सकते, तीसरा तो फिर
Assalamualaikum. This is Sultana speaking.
अभी आते चुप बैठे हैं.
Hello.
Hi, this is Linda.
Hello. This is Sultana.
Hello,
Yeah,
ma'am. How are you?
I'm
When I
fine.
join
How
by
are you?
video, I cannot see you.
But we can't see the video. We can't see your video.
When I join with my video, I can't see you.
I can't see anyone. It's black. It's all black. You can hear me though, yeah?
Yes, we can hear you, but we can't see you.
Kavita. Kavita ji.
Hello. We just woke up.
Yeah.
Hi Kavita. ये नींद से उठी है.
Girls are looking so pretty. What's your plan? Are you enjoying yourself at home, huh?
Oh, we see you now. How are you?
How are you, darling?
Hello. Yeah, we are fine.
Look at that beautiful smile.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
How are you, Sultana ma'am?
Is that Pari? Is that Pari?
Yes, very much me.
How are you, darling?
Very much. I'm good. How are you keeping?
I'm still dreaming of your ladoos.
Dreaming of my?
Your ladoos, the ladoos you brought.
Oh wow! Next time.
It was really very fresh, lovely.
Oh, good you remember. So next time I'll get some more.
Okay. How are things with you?
Very well. Very good.
That's good. Did y'all get a good audience? Hello, Shiva.
Hello.
How are you, darling?
I'm fine, ma'am. I'm fine. Just waiting for. Thank you very much for joining. Just waiting
You're
for
very
5 minutes. Mr. Laitu will join, and then we will start the thing with your welcome speech.
Okay.
And after that, what we will do is we will all mute the microphone. Only the person like Sultana ma'am will speak, and she will just speak. We will listen. We will keep our cameras on, microphone off, so that we can hear the person nicely. After that, we will start the virtual tour, and the virtual tour like we explain our paintings to the guest. So the paintings will be visible on the screen. We will share our screen. The paintings will be visible on the screen. Whose painting will come? That artist will speak and explain, just tell a little bit about themselves. We will move on to other artists.
All right.
Fine to everyone?
Yes. Yes. Sounds very exciting. Something different.
Just waiting because Mr. Laitu is saying that I don't know, so I will take the help of my son. He is he's just calling him, and he will.
Yeah, that's the trouble with us young people, you know.
But really, it is so nice, and I am overwhelmed with the response and looking all of you after such a long time. We miss this art family a lot.
Gosh, it's a long time. Really. Zoom
True,
is
and that's why we're thanking you
Skype,
for this initiative.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Okay, now we will start, and I request all of you to just mute your microphones. How we can Good evening, everyone. On the behalf of Funoon team, I welcome you all to this virtual exhibition, Salam Ramadan 2. And I know as I am excited, I know you, I am sure you all must be excited in the same way. And really, I am thankful to all of you to be the part of this, believing us, having a trust in us. And it's a unique kind of exhibition we all are experiencing together.
Hi Farah, this is Anuradha Balla.
Yeah, hi dear.
Hi, my God, finally I got the Zoom.
So Anuradha, can you mute your microphone, please?
Okay.
Now I request Sultana ma'am to say few words, please.
Live now?
Yes.
Yes. Assalamu alaikum. It's so nice to be here with you, to come inside your home. Thank you for inviting me. Next time, I hope you will have some halwa puri for me. Yeah,
that's true, for sure.
So it's so marvelous to see you young girls are so enterprising, and you're so with it, with all the current affairs and all the new technologies that are going on. You are not behind, and that is what I'm very proud of you. And of course, I'm very, very proud of all your art. You're born with it. It's your blood. I am so proud and so happy that problem is over. I will be it live. So I look forward to that very much. And please continue to paint, because this is the best time for you. You will be on your own, sitting, and you will have beautiful thoughts, and put your beautiful thoughts onto the canvas. This is the whole idea of what painting is all about. So thank you very much for inviting me.
Thank
And
you,
I wish
ma'am.
all
Thanks
of you
a lot.
lots of luck.
We can clap.
Lots of luck and beautiful Ramadan.
Thank
you.
Thank you. Now I request Mr. Saju Nair to say a few words, please. Mr. Saju.
Totally unexpected. Anyways, it was too good and too nice to be here now. First of all, we are all following the Ramadan, the holy month starting from tomorrow. Ramadan Kareem to all of you. And it is indeed a very nice experience like never before. You all been meeting regularly under one roof, but now it is different roof but with common point and common soul. It's very nice to meet everyone over here, and all those initiatives I've been always telling that any of such things has come in, it is always the art fraternity in the UAE has taken the lead with coming up with some innovative ideas, and this is one of those ideas which is keeping everyone busy and even smile during these difficult situations. Right? Anyway, the world has seen a lot of challenges. It is not the first time. So we too should be fortunate that we have seen these challenges and we have survived these challenges. So let us stay home, be safe. At this time, I also extend my gratitude to all those doctors, nurses, paramedical staffs, workers who work for us in the hospitals and other areas. I'm just having my thoughts for them as well, and for their families as well, who have sacrificed for the well-being of the society. Many thanks for the invite, and Farah and Sheba, keep up doing the good job. We have been inspired with all your efforts, and ma'am, the inspiring lady of the evening, Sultana ma'am, she's there and she's always there. She's always an inspiring leader. You say cheerleader, inspiring. There, a lot of words go for her. And
somebody has to design my costume. My cheerleader costume.
Yeah. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Shiba. Have fun and all our best wishes.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks a lot. So let's start with the virtual tour of the exhibition. I will share the screen. Yeah, we will share our website. So all Salam Ramadan exhibition, everything is there. So you all can share that link on your social media. I hope you all can see.
No, can't see you.
Yes.
Now,
We can see.
You will not be able to see us now. You will be looking the screen, Fununat screen with Salam Ramadan.
Yes.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Yeah, now we saw it. Yes.
We can even see you also.
Okay.
We have to
See you also.
We have to keep smiling.
yeah, a little come.
Now the thing is, as you see, the whole thing is on our website, and now we will proceed. And as I told you that we will take it as a virtual tour, one by one, each artist, each their paintings, and you have to explain your painting as you do in the physical exhibitions, the same way exactly. So we want to have the that momentum. Let's keep that spirit. As there are 50 artists, and you can see the nationalities. There are so diverse nationalities we have for today evening. So that is the first one. That is the first painting.
That will be Rukni, no?
Mr. Rukni.
Of course.
Mr. Rukni, please say something about your painting. Tell us about your experience in this quarantine, about the virtual exhibition.
It's not there.
Mr. Rukni, can you hear us? I think the connection, we lost the connection with her. Right.
Right.
Maybe. So we will proceed, no problem. Ehsan is not there. This painting is by Ehsan Khan from India. This one is Amani.
Yeah, this is mine.
Congratulations, Amani. Your painting as today it was showcased in the Khalij time.
Yeah, I saw it. Thank you for that. Yeah.
So please, you explain first. You introduce yourself to everyone, your nationality and your painting and your experience.
Okay. So hello everyone. I'm very happy that I'm here today with you all. It's an unusual situation that all of us we are locked down now for more than 1 month, and it was unusual for me because every Ramadan I love to exhibit in Ramadan because it's very I love Ramadan, and I always have it in my paintings, and I would love like always to like in this I represent it in this painting. I'm from Egypt. Ramadan for Egyptian is very unique experience, and for us it's always full of joy and celebration. That's why when I wanted to like just translate what is Ramadan in a painting, so I have serious of Ramadan. It's all about it's the colors, celebration, the mosque, the domes of the mosque, and I play with all of that. So the painting that you have seen, it's all painting on canvas, and I mix it with some mixed media as well. And this is one of series of Ramadan. Luckily, with this lockdown, I was not really in the mood to army or do anything, but I finished one also from this series for Ramadan. Also, I'm doing some of other paintings. My experience with this lockdown, it's as you say, Shifa, Farah, about that we are really coping with the technology. We are very happy to be locked down in UAE because it's really the country is really doing very well against the epidemic. We are all feeling safe here. We are getting our visual life because I'm also not only artist, I do a morning job as well, which is taking part from my time, and I'm always connected online. My son also is online also for his school. My husband is a doctor, and he's every day doing his job to serve his duty. And so far we are doing well. We are trying to cope with the situation. I'm very happy to have this visual exhibition. It connects me with all the artists. I know some of your faces. Some of you know me. I have seen you face to face. Some artists, they are new for me, and I'm very happy to meet all of you and to be part of this exhibition and to feel we are not really isolated or are not really participating in Ramadan as usual. Like our life, it should be as usual until this will be ended. So thank you very much for Noon Art. You are always doing your best to connect with artists, and really it's a great initiative, and I'm really grateful for that. Thank you.
Thank you, Amani. Mr. Anjali Prakash Laitu, I think he can't join us right now.
He was there. I saw.
Mr. Laitu?
Yes, I'm there.
Oh, there. Okay. Welcome.
I'm new to this technology, so let's take a little more time for adjustment.
No.
And I'm surprised and thankful for the technology that we are together today in spite of all this odds.
I want to see you talking. So everyone have seen this painting, so I will switch on this thing to the person who is speaking.
Yes.
It will be more connecting, I think that will be. Just after
Yeah.
having a look to the painting, we will see the person who is speaking. Yeah, Mr. Laitu, please say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I painted it keeping in mind the famous mosque in Abu Dhabi, the Grand Mosque. And generally it's not my style, but I was so fascinated with the whiteness and beauty of the theme that I wanted to put in colors. So I painted this. I hope you liked it. I wish everybody Ramadan Mubarak. And that was the theme also. So I hope you liked it.
It's
all the best to you.
It's beautiful. Now we will move to the other one. Yes, whose painting is this one? Anuradha. Anuradha. Anuradha was there.
Hi, Farah.
Hi. So you can talk about your painting.
Yes, 1 minute. I'm trying to get. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Hi, I'm from India, Hyderabad. I have lived in Dubai for 18 years.
Can't we see Anuradha? Can't we see Anuradha? Anuradha is not there?
Yes, we will put it.
Okay.
Yeah?
Wait, we are just. Yeah. You keep on telling, we will bring the camera.
Hi Farah, hi all the viewers and all the participants of Fun Art Dubai. I have lived in Dubai for 18 years and just moved to India because my husband was posted here with his job. My kids, my home still in Dubai. I keep shuttling from Dubai to Hyderabad. I'm in Hyderabad last 3 years.
Okay.
And I've always I've done my art in this Dubai Art Academy, which is on Yamakata. I've learned there, but never got down to do art myself. I was only collecting art a lot. I have collected lots of painters and all that during my stay in Dubai, but it's only last 3 years I've just ventured into doing some art and canvas painting, oil, acrylics. This Fun Art Dubai, I also wanted to take part in this World Art Dubai, so I got in touch with Farah and Shiba, and it's my privilege to take part for this Ramadan theme. Regarding this painting, it's the holy month of Ramadan, and I had, in fact, because of this lockdown, I didn't have canvas at home, so I had this watercolor paper on which I did some acrylics in a watercolor theme, like in a watercolor base. And yeah, it's the holy month of Ramadan with minarets and mosque and holy prayer. So that's all what I could think of. I depicted it on the paper. And yes, I look forward for the World Art Dubai thing in October, inshallah, if everything becomes well, and I would love to come back to Dubai to take part in the exhibition in the trade center. So thanks for this Zoom meeting, and it was very nice connecting with all of you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I've spoken to Farah so many times on the phone, and finally I could, I could meet you through Zoom.
Thank you.
I'll be in Dubai in July as well, inshallah, because my daughter's expecting. Hopefully everything settles down.
Yeah.
And I'm there, and I can meet many of you in person. especially Farah and Shiba.
Thank you.
So thank you, Fun Arts, and I hope this association I keep on for a long time, for a number of years to come, and wish you a holy Ramadan Kareem for this holy month of Ramadan.
Thank you, Anuradha. I request all the artists to be little brief, because as you know that we all are at home, and all the artists right now, everyone is so busy. Yeah, maybe everyone will be in hurry to go and back to the work, back to their daily routine works again.
Yes. Thank you for this, and
thank you, dear. Thank you.
Yeah.
You will share your. Yeah, this one is Fatima Tahir.
Hi, yes, that's me. So I'm originally from Iraq, although I was brought up in the UK. We've been here in Dubai for 8 years, and this is actually my first exhibition. So I'm really excited to be part of this really special online exhibition. And I really thank you guys for this initiative, because it's giving me that opportunity, that push to really do something that I love. I made it using alcohol inks, so that's the kind of medium I use. And I also enjoy calligraphy, so I use this ayah of the Quran, which is about giving, since Ramadan is the month of giving. This exhibition is actually a great example of giving back to the community. So, this painting just portrays, there's 2 hands in gold that I've put on the painting, and it's the larger, more rich color is giving to the lighter, so smaller color. All done using alcohol inks and the calligraphy, all hand scripted. I'm really excited again to be part of this truly special exhibition, and I really want to thank you for this opportunity. I think it's been
thank you very much. Thank you. Just for a few seconds, we will just pause it, because we want to switch it to the other gallery view, so that we can see everybody, and at the same time we can see our gallery view. That is the best part of the exhibition, that see Sultana ma'am is so relaxed and having the view of beautiful art exhibition.
Oh God, so the camera was on me.
Yeah, you know, that is the positivity. That is the positivity, that staying home you can have a look.
I feel like the Queen of Sheba right now.
Assalamu alaikum, Rani Saiba. Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah, I'm really relaxed. I'm enjoying it. Actually, I can see so much of the details in that way, you know.
Yeah, actually, my son suggested that we should have the screen sharing from the other device and viewing the artist on this device. So it will solve the thing that we can't see you. So Farah will share the screen.
Right.
Just it will take not even a minute. Done? I hope you all can see this.
Yes, yes.
Beautiful.
Yeah, we can see.
Yeah, very
Yeah,
nice.
Mr. Rukni, you were missed the time your painting was there, so you please.
I saw it, yes.
You have to explain your painting. You have to speak something on the experience of this
Very nice.
online exhibition.
Very nice.
Wonderful.
This is really beautiful.
Yeah, very well organized.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Amazing.
Now we will bring the screen to Mr. Rukni's painting.
Thank you, Lucy.
There it
Mr.
is.
Rukni's painting, Farha Khan photograph, all these two things.
Yeah.
This is Mr. Rukni's painting, and now I will show you Farha Khan's photo also. Wait.
Yeah.
The mummies.
Farha Khan's photo. Both look exactly same.
Lovely.
See the beauty of the art, the photo and the painting.
It's a painting.
Mr.
That's
Amazing.
Exactly, yeah. It's
Congratulations.
Basakia area.
Congratulations. Lovely.
Mabruk.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You know?
Yeah, Mr.
Wow, the
Rukni, say something
painting
about
and the photograph look the same.
So yes, exactly same.
This is our cultural houses which are suitable for Ramadan. So
Yeah.
I choose this one.
Very
Perfect.
nice.
Yeah. I would say
Yes, I done
perfect
it,
because
done
that's
it
where my
black and
roots are.
white. Black and white and acrylic on canvas. Yeah.
Wonderful.
monochrome.
So it's been any other people can see the painting also, or an our
Yes,
meeting?
all
Yeah,
of us
they
can see.
the painting also. All
Yeah.
can see the painting.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
that
we
would
are
be
seeing
great.
it.
Yes.
We are seeing it. Like
Yeah,
to
we are all
see it.
seeing it.
Beautiful.
We can move ahead now. This one, this painting, Imran Manzoor. Imran.
هذا من فضل ربي.
Can you hear me? Because I cannot hear Mr. Rukni at all.
But I can hear you.
You can hear me. It's good.
Yeah.
So basically, I don't need mic. Huh?
can
More
hear
than
me.
the painting, I just like to tell that I'm still working 24/7 because Dubai government, the ruler of Dubai, Sheikh Mohammed, also among the few people who are working, and I'm in the steering committee. So every day I go. So 24/7 I'm going, and very difficult for me to get time. But it's still, I was working for some work for Palace, and among that I was doing some calligraphy. And from that, one of them especially I remove for Farhan Shiva. So it's just Hazaman Fazli Rabbi is basically a prayer, especially with this critical time that everybody is praying more. So this is what I said is the best to give to Farhan Shiva to put in the gallery. And I'm very proud and very thankful for both the Khan sisters that they are doing the excellent work and always taking ahead of what it is from the time, and this is a very great initiative where people are sitting at home. Basically now I realize for the last 2 months, when people are sitting at home, they feel bored and they're going out. But I think what I am working right now in the government and working as a volunteer, working as a member of a steering committee, I feel that it is really a time where people seriously sit at home, because the things which you see is basically more than that. And the situation is not good at all. Situation is very basically, things are not there. We are very fortunate that we are eating every day, but there are hundreds of people calling me every day, and we are receiving emails that people, they don't have food at all, especially the laborers who are working for daily basis. So we are very fortunate, and I will request all my friends who can afford, who can please share wherever they can do any kind of support to the people for their neighbors. Please look into it and help the people right now who are the needy people. Thank you very much, all of you. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you very much.
Salam.
Whose painting is this one?
Hi, that's me, Manisha.
Yeah, Manisha.
Hi, so my name is Manisha Andrade. I'm from India. And I'll quickly tell you about the painting. I won't take very long. So I'm an abstract artist, and this particular painting, the title is Weather the Storm. It's basically, from what I see, is obviously each one will have a different perspective since it's an abstract painting. But my perspective while painting was a ship, which is going through storm. And it's similarly in our life, different situations, how we stand strong in difficult times. And just as in the lockdown, how we are going through a particular situation, the same way I'm projecting through the ship, how it's going through the sea, and how it weathers the storm which has come. So that's about it. I've used beautiful colors and vibrant colors to show that and project that. It's a palette knife and acrylic painting. That's it. Thank you.
Beautiful painting. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, hi, it's mine, Ranjisha. Hi, so my name is Ranjisha. I'm from India. I was raised in Abu Dhabi, and we moved back 3 years back to Dubai. An engineer by profession in oil and gas industry, but now I have a good job and full-time artist. So this painting is called Prayers of Hope. Pretty much I think each of us are doing now and very much needed in this moment of time. So it's full of, it is, I put it in green so that I wanted the green to come back in our life, the luxury to come back in our life. It was done in alcohol ink and pens, with using some pens and as well as some gold glazing in it. So pretty much the subject is very much clear. So I hope all our prayers are heard and we'll overcome this challenge. And special prayers from my side to all the people who are in the forefront and helping us to make a smooth, life even in this difficult situation. And hope we will get back to normalcy soon, and let's have a safe and healthy Ramadan. Thank you, Funoon, for this opportunity, and let's hope this event will become successful.
Thank you very much. Thank you. This one is, I think the artist is not there. We will move to the other one. Jasmeet.
Hi all, I'm Jasmeet. I am new here, but I have seen most of you on the social media. So I'm just trying to connect everybody's names and faces now. So anyway, I'm from Indian origin, but I moved to Dubai from US 2 years ago. And this is about quilling. Actually, I'm not sure many of you are familiar with this. Quilling is an ancient art. Actually, you cut paper strips, roll them, shape them, glue them. So in this one, I'm depicting a Sufi dancer, but instead of white, I have portrayed like a lot of colors. All my pieces have a lot of colors, vibrant, bold colors. So this one, like each and every work will take from hours to days to months sometimes, depending on how complex it is. So that is it. Thank you so much, both the Khan sisters, for giving me this opportunity. I'm just totally new to this artwork. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. One is Mankush.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi, Mankush.
Hi. Yeah. Hi, Shiba. I hope everyone can hear me.
Yes.
Yeah. Hi. Actually, this painting is a very colorful and vibrant painting, and depicting the pond water lilies, the famous Monet's lilies I have painted in this. And as you know, in Hindu and Buddhist mythological paintings, you can all see lotus and lilies are considered to be very auspicious. And this painting shows love, hope, and affection, and the enlightenment, which is very important, that we are looking for new beginnings. And with the Ramadan starting tomorrow, so this portrays the new beginnings and good health for all people. So that's it. Wishing you all a very happy Ramadan. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Nikki,
This one is Linda Mohammed.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah. Hi, Linda.
Hi, Shiba. Hi, Farah. I'm very happy to see you. And thank you for that amazing exhibition. I'm Linda Al-Miligi. I'm an Egyptian artist based in Dubai. Actually, I'm a pharmacist, but I'm a full-time artist since 2012. Concerning to my painting, its name is Curiosity. It's reflecting the curiosity of others to trying to know what we cover. And I used in this painting oil painting and acrylic painting, golden leaf. And that's it. Thank you. I hope to see all of you soon.
Your painting was showcased today.
Yeah, thank you. It was a great surprise for me. Thank you. But I didn't find the newspaper.
Pari now. Where Pari have gone?
Pari? I think Pari left.
Think she's going to get me some laddus?
Yes, here. Pari is here.
Hi.
Hi, Pari.
How are you?
Fine. Your painting is there. Everybody is waiting to hear from you.
Okay, my painting is very simple. I won't take too much of time. My painting title is Hope. So it's just the eyes are filled with hope that we come out from this lockdown. As you see, I've covered her face with the flag of UAE. So it's just hope from the UAE that this is over and we are having a normal life. That's it. Okay,
Excellent.
I make it very simple and easy.
This one is Mariam.
Is Mariam there?
I think Mariam is not there. This is Maria.
Yes, this is. Hi everyone, this is Maria Ahmed. I'm from Pakistan and I've been painting since my childhood. I won't tell my age, but that's my passion and I've been working. My favorite medium is acrylic and I love making landscape and Arabic calligraphy. Living in Dubai for 20 years, the love for the language Arabic and the font of Arabic writing. That's something new which I started doing. And for this Ramadan, I picked this painting of mine, which the title is called Divine Letters. These are only Arabic letters. It doesn't mean anything. But I emphasize that all letters are praying to our God Allah and praying for the best in their own way. So I've just used some mixed media and colors just to make it beautiful. I hope you all like it. I would love to say thank you to the Funoon Art for giving this opportunity and for uniting all these artists together and giving us the platform to share our moments. Thank you so much, and wishing you all the best. Hope this epidemic finishes soon. Wishing everyone safe and healthy. Ramadan Kareem to all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Nafisa?
This is like the title of the work is Ibadat, and since Ramadan is basically all about connecting to the Almighty, and Ibadat in the form of prayers, or even when some people who are not fasting, probably they are through rosary they are enchanting, and it basically just that it's the essence of Ramadan, that how we are it's a holy month of Ramadan where you just devote to prayers and remembering and reconnecting your bond with the Almighty, and rest everything comes in the background, and that's why it is just the hand and the rosary that is more prominent or highlighted, and everything else in the background is just it's for you to interpret. So that's what it denotes, and that's what I wanted to reflect through this artwork.
Thank you, Nafisa. Thank you very much. And we really, the thing is, I'm feeling so happy to see you, because from the day you moved from here to Canada, this is for the first time you are attending the exhibition.
Yes, and that also is with you. Yes.
Now, Nada, our beautiful
yes. First of all, I'm very happy to be part of this virtual exhibition, and I'm really, really honored to be with you guys, especially Funoon Art, because this is a great initiative and we really need it in this lockdown situation. Without these initiatives, we cannot be active and creative. Even if we work by ourselves at home and paint, we feel nobody appreciates that if we are not part of the exhibitions and not part of this community. So now I feel we have to support each other as artists more than before. We have to be active more than before. If we exhibit in exhibitions before, now we have to exhibit more in virtual exhibitions, because we need to set a nice example for other people to be always positive, to believe in God, that tomorrow will be definitely better and we'll have bright future for sure. And I painted this painting because of Ramadan, of course. It's about mosques, about something related to our prayer in Ramadan. And the whole year we pray, of course, but in Ramadan we pray more. And we have Qiyam al-Layl, the last 10 days of Ramadan. So we stay until Fajr praying. And then in Ramadan we go for Taraweeh. This is usually what we do in Ramadan. Now this year, because it's different of this COVID-19, we are going to pray at home for sure, but also will not stop praying at all and will not stop hoping. And I used green colors, yellow colors, vibrant colors to give positive energy as usual. I like to be always optimistic regardless of the situation, because we have to do that. Otherwise, we'll sit doing nothing and will not be creative. And this, I don't like it at all. So that's why I keep motivating myself to do so. I want to thank you, Farah and Shiba, for this initiative again. And this is very nice for us because it's all, we can do something great all together. Nobody can do something good alone. So I want to say Ramadan Mubarak to all. Inshallah soon we'll finish from this COVID-19 and we'll start a new positive days, much better than before. And stay home, stay safe, and stay active and creative.
Mabruk.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Ramadan Kareem to you too.
Rida.
Hi Rida, you were there?
Rida.
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. My name is Rida Basir. I am from Lahore, Pakistan, and I am a visual artist. मैंने अपनी पेंटिंग में हरूफ का जिक्र किया है जो कि हमारे कुरान शरीफ में और हमारे हरूफ में इस्तेमाल होते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा, और मेरा ये थीसिस है एंड मैं आप सबका बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ कि आपने इसको पसंद किया और मुझे मौका दिया कि मैं फ़नून आर्ट में इसको एग्जिबिट कर सकूँ। और इस इनिशियल स्टेप आपने लिया है कि इतने हमारे लॉकडाउन है और इस तरह के हालात हैं, उसमें हम लोगों को मौका दिया है। सो थैंक यू सो मच एंड थैंक यू।
Thank you very much. Najna, this is Najna Bashir, and she is not there. She has made the whole collection of, I think, 6 artworks of Surah Fatiha. So she exhibited a single piece over here. We will move to the next one. This one is Ruhi. Ruhi is there. Ruhi, we cannot hear you. Ruhi, आप अपना माइक्रोफोन स्टार्ट करें.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Ruhi Khan from Bhopal, India, and first of all, I would like to thank you, Fanoon Art, for giving us such a wonderful virtual exhibition in this such a lockdown condition. So we guys we are locked down, but we are not down. So yeah, Alhamdulillah. So basically, I'm Arabic calligrapher, and I have been doing since more than 10 years. Since I was in 8th class, I started doing Arabic calligraphy. So till after that, I also besides I have done masters in biotechnology and fine arts. I have done my diploma from Aligarh Muslim University in calligraphy and graphic design. And after that, when I exhibited first time in MF Hassan Art Gallery in New Delhi, Jamia Millia Islamia, I was nationally awarded by ex-IT Minister Kapil Sibal in All India Calligraphy and Graphic Design in exhibition, All India Calligraphy exhibition. So that was very first experience for me. I exhibited for the first time and I was awarded. I got national award. So after that journey begins, and till now I have done more than 15 exhibitions, including solo and group exhibitions. Alhamdulillah, and I have Arabic calligraphy is my passion. I love Arabic calligraphy. Thank you so much.
Thank you. This is Saima Hassan, and I think she is not there. This one is Sana Hijri. She is also not there. Shweta Daryani. Shweta is also not there. Sangeeta. Not there. This one is mine.
Wow. Very nice. Very beautiful, Farah.
Thank you. And I named it Together We Can. Actually, as you can see, there are the people from the leaders of the 7 Emirates, and backdrop is all with red, green, and all. I did it with the palette knife. And all the UAE is the country of tolerance, of love, and how they are taking care of the people living here, not only of the UAE nationals, of all expats and everything, how they are sanitizing the whole thing. So it is well proved that together we can come over any situation, any pandemic scenario, and we will make it out and we will shine again.
Yes.
It's very nice.
Allah.
Very nice.
This one is for Shibu Hassan.
Was there?
So Shiba?
No,
This one is Shibu Hassan.
He's a
Hi.
photographer.
Shibu Hassan.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
We can hear you.
Yeah, my name is Shibu. I'm from India, Kerala. I'm staying in Abu Dhabi.
I just want to compliment one thing. It looks so beautiful that the solar energy, the sun, and it is that we can have our own perspective. But what I can see is that if we pray, all the energy we can consume in ourselves. The sun you are taking in the palm. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. Yeah. My name is Shibu. I'm from India, Kerala. Actually, this is my first exhibition. And last December also I had planned to participate, but I couldn't. I'm staying in Abu Dhabi. I'm working in a petroleum company. During my free time, I do photography and painting and designing also. So this photo I took from Abu Dhabi Corniche, and it is an unexpected, because normally I go to Corniche to take photos, and people, they come to me, this local guy, he told me to take a photo of him. So I took this photo. Normally sunset is my main theme. I like sunset photography. So I selected this photo because of the theme was Ramadan, and the theme is prayer, and the Ramadan is a month of forgiveness. So I took this picture. And that's all. Ramadan Kareem, and stay all. Thank you.
Shabana Sheikh is also a photograph, which looks like a painting. I guess she's not there with the group. This is Samane. Samane, are you there?
Samane? No, she's also not there. Sumita is there. Sumita Eloni. Sumita ji, you are there?
हाँ हाँ मैं नमस्कार. आप लोग देख सकते हैं मुझे?
जी बिल्कुल देख सकते हैं.
अच्छा. नमस्कार टू एवरीवन एंड रमजान करीम. मेरे पेंटिंग में कोई बहुत फिलोसॉफिकल तो है नहीं. When I was going to Ras Al Khaimah, I just saw the herd of camels there and thought of painting it. And my paintings cannot be painted instantly as whatever subject was given. So definitely this I worked before and thought appropriate. That's why I given for the exhibition, because my paintings take me more than a month or 2 months maybe to complete this one. You can see a lot of line work, which I always love to do. And I'm really enjoying talking to everyone. I don't think that if we all are there in one place, we do listen to everyone.
That's true. That's true.
This is a platform that everyone is calmly, compulsorily listening to others. So I am really enjoying it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ramadan Kareem.
Sonu, I think Sonu just left. So this is the painting by Sonu Sultania. She doing painting fluid art, and no doubt it's a beautiful piece. Sona Kapoor.
Sona was there, I guess.
Sona. I think she is also not there.
Okay, now we can move to
Now
the
next section of this.
We will start with Sayyid Hassan Pasha. Beautiful photograph by Sayyid Hassan Pasha.
Thank you for the opportunity. First, for Funun Arts, the heartiest congratulations on this amazing initiative. I believe it's the first of its kind. I've never attended a virtual exhibition before. So for me, it's a first. I am sure it must be for everyone else. before I go on to explain what that is, Ramadan Kareem from me. I hope this blessed month brings everyone peace, joy, and prosperity. I know these are tough times, and I hope as a community we get to defeat this disease and move on and get back to our lives. About the photo, I think it is befitting for Ramadan because it is the main interior of the Sheikh Zayed Mosque in Abu Dhabi. I was pretty lucky when I was doing photography there. I saw this lady going past. I believe she is part of the staff there. And I got the opportunity to put her against the huge perspective, which sort of kind of brings us to the point where as humans and our planet is a part of the universe, that we ourselves are pretty insignificant against the the huge this whole godly thing, all the universe. So I kind of put man and God kind of in one perspective. So that was my idea. And interestingly, this is an iPhone photo, which also surprised me that I believe with the technology these days, things one can do with a smartphone. So yep, this is what I brought to the whole exhibition.
It's really great.
Thank you very much.
Hello, Shiva and Farah. I'm going to take your leave because I need to go and attend to my husband.
Okay.
So, all the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
I really enjoyed it. I hope to see the video. I'm sure you're going to take a video of it.
Yes.
The rest on it.
Sona,
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sona sent a message, but that she was not able to connect. But I have taken the chat to.
Okay, now we will.
It's me, Subika.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi. Hello, Farah and Shiva. Thanks a lot for letting me participate in Fanoon Arts. I am a pharmacist by profession and a patent painting by accident or by passion, you can say. And this is first ever painting that I exhibited, and that too in a virtual exhibition. Actually, I was a little depressed, and I was not happy with. Obviously, everyone is depressed and going through a lot. And with the mosque closing and Ramadan coming, I painted this keeping in mind that verily with hardship comes ease. And I threw a yellow light, which I always felt like yellow light depicts brightness, and it's a light for ease basically. And the rays of hope are coming in the mosque, and other prayer places will open up, inshallah, and the hard times will pass on, and we'll get through it, inshallah. That's the main reason of painting this. And the medium is acrylic, and thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Sushmita Sinha.
Is she there?
Sushmita, are you there? Which one now? Whose painting is this one? This is Sumera.
Sumera, are you there?
This is Sunita Bisht. She is also not there.
Okay.
This one is left.
Tariq, he is also not there.
Tariq is also not there. This painting is by Tariq. He is an Egyptian artist. No, this is Varsha Saju Nair, our youngest artist of the art fraternity.
Hi, my name is Varsha, for those who don't know me. I am 15 years old, 11th grade, and this is one of my paintings. It's actually the fourth in a series called Immerse in Colors. And in this series, I mostly focus on very dynamic postures. All my paintings in the series are dynamic postures. And I also give importance to these 7 elements of art. It's very important in this painting. So I've always wanted to paint something that was related to Arabic tradition and culture. And one of the most oldest and most amazing forms of dances that I know is Tanura. So I thought, why not depict it in my own style? So that's how this painting came to be. And keeping that aside, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. It's my first coming on an online exhibition like this, and it's amazing. So many people are connected with technology, and it's really inspiring. So thank you so much for this, and Ramadan Kareem to everyone.
Thank you, Varsha.
Welcome.
Sonal Purohit.
Where is she?
Sonal.
Hi Farah, hi Shiba. Hello everyone.
Hi,
Ramadan
Sonal.
Kareem.
Ramadan Kareem to you too.
First of all, thank you so much. Thank you so much for making me a part of this exhibition, Ramadan. It's the first time I'm participating in any Ramadan exhibition. And this time it's the virtual one, so even new experience. And this painting is a Mughal painting. It's inspired by a very old Indian classic, Mughal-e-Azam, that Madhubala scene when she was covering her face with a veil. I tried it, but she doesn't look like Madhubala, but still I tried. So in this, she's wearing expensive clothes. You can see Eid Ka Chand behind her.
Yeah.
She's dressed for Eid. Her eyes are closed, so she seems to, she looks very cool and very peaceful, and she's praying to God for blessings. And you can see the jewelry that is also very intricately done. And so it's all about Eid and the Eid scene that I try to depict in it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sonal. The festive season is there. Huh?
Varsha is not there.
Varsha is not there. Varsha Surekha. This painting is by Varsha Surekha. She is not there right now.
And this is Tagrid.
This painting is Tagrid. I think Tagrid is there. This one is Yulia.
Yulia was there.
Yeah, Yulia was there.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah.
I'm glad to see you.
Yeah.
My name is Yulia. I'm from Belarus.
You can tell us
I
something.
go to. Are you hear me?
Yulia, we cannot hear you.
Are you hear me?
Yes, we can
Yeah,
hear you.
we can hear you. Please tell.
Okay, thank you. I call this my book connection between the worlds. Space and the peaks to bright circles. They are interconnected by spiral. It is the connection of our material work with the spiritual work. The spiritual work is the better, pure, harmonious. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ramadan Mubarak. Thank you.
Yuvika. Yuvika.
Hi, Yuvika.
Yuvika, where have you gone?
I think Yuvika gone.
Veena Devagri. She's also not here, I guess. This is the artwork by Veena Devagri. Wala Muhammad, she was there.
Wala Muhammad. Kavita. Hi, Kavita.
Night of Decree, she had written about her.
This one, the before one, it was Radhika.
Radhika.
This one is Radhika. Radhika's painting. This and the other one is, I think, this one is Saida Ghazal. She is there.
Ghazala is there?
Ghazala, you are there? She just joined, I think. Ghazala, are you there? I think she.
Okay, with that we end up our virtual.
No. There is one is left.
Which one?
Anyone left? Whoever is here, if we miss somebody, please. Yeah, this is Farah Khan's.
Please. This is a photo I took at Bastakia, one of my favorite place in Dubai. And as you all know, this is my favorite topic, to click the picture of historical places. I like the rustic look in the historical places, and that's my favorite thing to click. So I love this picture, and it depicts the theme, like as it is Ramadan and we have to show some like Islamic architecture or the UAE architecture. So this is one of the oldest architecture. Okay.
Beautiful.
So I hope everyone who is there, who is not there, we have everyone's painting. Is anyone left? Please let us know. Maybe sometime it is, that can be the drawback of the virtual one we missed. So, just click it now.
You have tried your best, so don't you guys?
Yeah.
Thank you, Farah, Shiba.
Yeah, just one stop sharing it. We will bring the screen back with all the artists on the screen. Yeah. I hope it was a nice time for all of you.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you.
It was lovely connecting with you, Farah.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And all the viewers, all the bye and Ramadan Kareem.
Ramadan Kareem to you.
I want everybody to pose like this. Everybody should pose like this because we will take a screenshot. Everybody should pose like this.
My video not working.
आ रहे हम लोग सब.
I'll do at my home.
Done. Thank
you. With 2 hands. Holding phone with 1 hand.
Very nice experience. Ramadan Kareem, everyone.
It was
Ramadan
Kareem to you.
Thank you. Lovely connecting with all of you.
We will release the link of the website.
Bye, Farah. Bye, Shiba.
Thank you. Bye, everybody.
Thank you all.
Bye, Farah. Bye, Shiba.
Thank you, Farah.
Hope to see you soon. Bye.
Thank you, Farah and
Thank you.
Shiva. Thank you.
Imran, stay safe. Take care of yourself, as you say that you are volunteering all the time, 24/7, and you are there. And everyone else also stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself, and just keep on praying that this situation will get over, and we all will forget it and come back to the normal with a bang.
We hope so.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Take care. Stay safe.
Mr.
Bye.
Aslam Jawad from HDTV is on with us now. He joined very late when we are going to over. No problem, but it was really nice to see you all after such a long time. We will keep on doing these exhibitions, virtual, online, so that we remain connected to each other. So
Yes.
thank you all of you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Farah. Thank you, Shiba.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Thank you very much, and Ramadan Kareem to all.
Ramadan Kareem.
You can hear me? Somebody.
Yeah, Aslam.
Yes, bye. We can hear you.
Okay, great. Imran might be there, huh? Good.
There are 34 artists right now in Aslam, and you joined because now we are finishing it up, but no problem. You are still there. You are a part of this opening.
Yes, I'm watching all of you, and I'm monitoring what you are doing. So, inshallah, I will make a good report for you.
Thank you very much. Thank you all of you. Bye. Take care.
Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Bye.
Bye.
Ramadan Kareem to all.
Thank you.